Welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor. If you're feeling overwhelmed by divorce and wondering if there's a way to make this process less painful, you're not alone. Many Texas families are asking the same question. Is there an option that keeps things private, affordable, and focused on the future? The answer may be divorce mediation. Divorce mediation is a process where you and your spouse work with a neutral third party to reach agreements on major issues like property division, custody, visitation, and support. It's private, confidential, and required by Texas courts before trial. Instead of airing grievances in a courtroom, couples negotiate solutions that reflect their real-life needs with fewer delays, less cost, and more dignity. Here's an example. Sarah was a full-time nurse, worried about what divorce would mean for her kids. She didn't want a bitter court fight. Through mediation, she and her spouse worked through every detail, parenting time, holidays, finances. It wasn't easy, but it gave them both a voice and gave their children stability. When it ended, Sarah told her attorney she felt empowered and respected, and most importantly, her kids were still surrounded by love from both parents. Here's why mediation works for so many families in Texas. First, you stay in control. Instead of a judge making decisions for your family, you and your spouse make the call. Second, it's cost-effective. Litigation often involves attorney fees, court costs, and long delays. Mediation typically resolves matters in a few sessions, saving thousands. Third, it protects your children. Court battles can be emotionally damaging, but mediation promotes cooperation and communication, two things every child needs during divorce. If you and your spouse reach an agreement, it's documented in a mediated settlement agreement. This is binding under Texas Family Code and becomes part of your final divorce decree. Your court will almost always approve it, giving you peace of mind and legal security. Mediation may not solve every conflict, but for many Texas families, it offers something that courtrooms rarely do: control, compassion, and a path forward. If you're considering divorce and want to avoid unnecessary conflict, schedule a free 30-minute consultation at bryanfagan.com. We'll help you understand your options and see if mediation is right for you. Thanks for watching. Your future doesn't have to be decided in court. With the right support, you can move forward with clarity and confidence. Until next time, take care.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.